Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tech tips. We'd love to hear from you, so feel free to leave any questions or suggestions for future Roomba tutorials in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and happy cleaning! First, let's unbox your Roomba i7. Inside the box, you'll find the robot vacuum, the charging station, a power cord, and a few documentation items. Remove the Roomba and its accessories carefully, and make sure to remove any protective plastic films from the device. Now, plug in the charging station, and place your Roomba on the dock. The charging light will start flashing, indicating that it's charging. This may take a couple of hours, so feel free to let it charge fully before starting the setup process. While your Roomba i7 is charging, go ahead and download the iRobot Home app on your smartphone. Simply visit the App Store if you're using an iPhone or Google Play for Android devices. The app will be essential for controlling your Roomba. Once the iRobot Home app is downloaded, open it and create a new account if you're a first-time user. If you already have an account, simply log in using your existing credentials. The app will guide you through the setup process. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Roomba to Wi-Fi. This process is simple. Just select your Roomba i7, connect to your home Wi-Fi network, and wait for the app to confirm that the connection is successful. Once your Roomba i7 is connected, you can set up personalized cleaning preferences in the app. You can choose things like cleaning schedules, keep-out zones, and whether you want to use voice commands with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Now that your Roomba i7 is all set up, it's ready to start cleaning. You have the option to begin a cleaning cycle through the app, or you can simply press the clean button directly on the Roomba. To maintain your Roomba i7 in peak condition, it's important to regularly clean its brushes, dustbin, and sensors. You can either use the cleaning tools available in the app for guidance or manually clean the robot. If you run into any issues or need further assistance, our team of expert professionals is available to help you every step of the way. Don't hesitate to reach out for support or guidance. Contact us at 1-323-507-3713 for immediate assistance. That's it. You've successfully set up your iRobot Roomba i7, and it's now ready to handle your home's cleaning while you focus on other important tasks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon.